In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Reader on Windows 10. If you're looking to get Adobe Reader set up on your computer, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together and make sure you have everything you need to view and manage your PDFs seamlessly. To start, open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser that you use regularly. Once you have that up, simply enter Adobe Reader into the search bar. You'll likely see multiple links in the search results, but to ensure you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version, look for the official Adobe website link and click on it. Now that you're on the Adobe Reader page, you might notice a lot of information and options available. Don't worry, the next step is to find and click on the More Download Options link. This is important because it allows you to choose the correct version for your computer's operating system, ensuring compatibility and proper functionality. Once you've clicked on the More Download Options, you'll see a section labeled Operating System. Here, you need to click on the down arrow, which will present a list of different operating systems. Since you're using Windows 10, go ahead and select it from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that Adobe Reader is optimized for your specific system. With Windows 10 selected, you'll next want to find the Download Acrobat Reader button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Clicking on this button will start the download process. You may see a pop-up or prompt asking for your permission, and it'll show the progress of your download. Once the download is complete, it's time to move on to the installation process. You should find the downloaded setup file in your browser's Download tab or your computer's Download folder. Click on this file to begin the installation process. A setup wizard will appear on your screen, providing you with step-by-step instructions. During installation, it might ask you to choose optional components or change installation settings. If you're unsure about any options, I'd recommend sticking with the default settings to avoid any changes that might complicate things later. Follow all the instructions, clicking Next and Install as needed. Once the installation is complete, you might be prompted to launch Adobe Reader immediately, so feel free to go ahead and do that. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Reader on your Windows 10 computer. Now you're all set to open, read, and manage your PDF documents with ease. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial and enjoy using Adobe Reader.